Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to switch off Realme C67 device. By turning off a smartphone can help conserve battery life, especially if the device is not going to be used for an extended period. And then by shutting down the device, it prevents unnecessary background process and reduce power consumption. Okay, and then how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. First step, you can turn off your device by long press on power button like this. And then here you can select power off. And then for the second step, you can go to the control center. And then here you can tap power icon at the bottom and choose power off option. Well, and then for the last step, you can do it by activating accessibility. Okay, please go to the settings menu on your device. And then here please scroll down. And then you can tap on accessibility option. Well, after that scroll down again. And then click on accessibility menu. And then you can activate it like this. And then click allow. After activating, and then you can tap on this icon. And then turn off your device by pressing the power option. And then click power off. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to switch off Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.